Okay, I'm Jeff Holbrook, Hopewell-Loudon Superintendent. I'm here today to discuss our solar project, and we have a kiosk on our website. And a couple of reasons why we did it was we wanted to look at low-hanging fruit to save money for the district, but also provide curriculum for the district. So what's interesting is this kiosk that came with it, and you can see right here is a production at the current time, and the time is 11:20. But we also learned a lot with this project, and what we learned is at 12:59 daily is what's called solar noon, and that's when this meter will be maximum produced, weather dependent. But with this kiosk comes a lot of other things as well. You can see the lifetime of the production. You can see all the things that the solar array actually saves throughout with its production. We have a graph to show you when it's not operational at night, throughout the day. But what also is pretty interesting here is you have a tab of how solar works. And within that, you have sun and solar energy. You can come down. It talks about the panel inverter for our kids to look at, our parents to look at, or anybody just visiting our site. Then it also has an inverter meter. Talks a little bit about that, and then the meter to the grid right there, and just kind of shows you how that works. So for us, it's been a really nice journey. It's going to save us a substantial amount of money. We are going to have curriculum for our kids and staff, so it's been a real big benefit for Hopewell-Loudon. Thank you.
Okay, hi, my name's Doug Deponette. I'm the maintenance director here at Hopewell-Loudon Schools. Our rooftop solar array produces 330,000 kilowatts, and it'll produce about almost 50% of our electric for a year. We went solar. I mean, Mr. Holbrook, the superintendent, and I, we did a lot of research, and we went solar because of just the amount of money that we're going to save for the district. Our building faces dead south. We have no obstructions, and I mean, it's perfect place for it. On the roof, nobody can see it, no damage. The one nice thing about this is that these solar panels will withstand 120 mile an hour winds before something happens. And if we have that, we're going to have a lot more issues than just solar panels flying around. Okay, the process of this, I mean, it was a long process. Mr. Holbrook and I, we really did our due diligence here on trying to find the right company to install this array for us. We went and saw several different arrays by several different companies, but we really liked the workmanship and the people from TMI Energy Solutions out of Cincinnati, Ohio. I mean, the work they did on here was, just fabulous. One nice thing is there is no roof penetrations. We have a rubber roof, so we have 0 roof penetrations. Everything sits on something rubber, so there is no chance for it to ever leak on us. They went above and beyond. They put caution tape, actual tape on conduit, so you could see it while you're walking across it. You know, I tell you, if schools, businesses, even homes, if they can go solar, I would recommend doing it. The one nice thing with our solar company was we did a PPA where it did not cost our school district any money. We buying the electric off of them for almost half of what we're paying for our local electric company. So the amount of money that we are saving is just, it's going to be a nice chunk of change for a school district, for a home, for a business. So I would recommend anyone, if you can, go solar, go solar.